Step out of the vehicle.
You're being detained right now for
what?
complaints of reckless driving.
I'm calling to make a complaint about reckless driving.
I'm here. The
Some
police
guy's
are
following
here.
me. I didn't give me a reason yet to step out.
I don't need a reason.
You don't need a reason?
You're given a lawful order due to the fact that you're refusing to identify yourself.
This officer unwillingly opened my door and put his hand on me. He is standing right here. He did not provide me any reason why this is happening until just now you saw this.
Have you ever imagined that when you call the police for protection, you could end up being a victim of the very authority you trust? In this video, a citizen is trying to report reckless driving, but instead of getting help, he is forced by the officer to open his car door, touched, and denied the right to call his lawyer. This isn't just a routine traffic stop. It's a clash between citizens' rights and police power, raising the question, how far are citizens' rights actually protected, and where should police authority be limited? If you think this story matters, like this video, share it to raise awareness, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you agree with how this officer acted?
Step out of the vehicle.
You're being detained right now for
what?
complaints of reckless driving.
I'm calling to make a complaint about reckless driving.
I'm here. The
Some
police
guy's
are
following
here.
me. I'm trying to make a complaint. You stop me.
Step out of the vehicle.
Tell me why I need to make a complaint.
Step out of the vehicle now.
For what?
Step out.
I want my lawyer.
Step out now.
I want my rights. I want my lawyer.
Step out now.
I want my lawyer.
Sir.
I want my call.
You're being told to step out of the vehicle.
I didn't give me a reason yet to step out.
I don't need a reason.
You don't need a reason?
You're given a lawful order due to the fact that you're refusing to identify yourself.
I'll give you my ID.
All right.
Here it is. My name is Robert Frederickson.
Your ID.
I do not feel I'm being treated, and you put your hand on me.
Sir, give me your ID. This all could have been avoided if you just gave me your license.
You could all be avoided. Tell me why I need to step out of the vehicle.
Because you were refusing to give me your license.
You didn't tell me why I'm being pulled over. Still, tell me why I'm being pulled over.
That's 265.
Officer Moscato of the Moquina Police, badge 266.
You're being detained for reckless driving.
Where did you see a complaint?
Yes.
For the guy behind me who's been honking his horn, reckless driving?
Yes.
So what?
That is why.
Where do you have any proof of a reckless driving
It's called
complaint?
an investigation.
Okay, so why are you investigating the guy who made the complaint when I'm sitting here on the phone with dispatch?
He stopped here too.
I'm trying to call you. I've been calling.
All right.
I'm trying to figure out why this guy's honking his horn following me.
F-Ring 636-7648-0107.
This officer unwillingly opened my door and put his hand on me. He is standing right here. He did not provide me any reason why this is happening until just now you saw this.
Well, I'm glad you're recording because I've given you the information on the
Are
phone
you recording me? Did you even acknowledge that?
It is.
You did acknowledge that first when you walked
Doesn't
up.
need to be.
Awesome.
It's right there. It's state law.
All right, so you got that down. I got mine. He's refusing me to let me talk to a lawyer. He kept telling me he almost took my phone from me. He's got me no viable reason to be pulled over right now.
Sir, step out of the vehicle now.
Hey, Luke, how you doing, Luke?
Step out.
I'm recording this.
That's fine.
Right.
All right? You're being stopped right now for reckless driving.
For what? What did you see me reckless drive?
A reckless driving complaint.
A complaint?
Yes.
So you're going to open my door and try to
just
throw
like
me
the-
out of the car?
Just like the same reason
Hold on.
you were
Time
calling
out.
the police.
Right, because this guy is
Okay?
following me, honking his horn for whatever reason. Since LaGrange Road, I can't shake him. I don't know what he's doing. He's driving in the middle of 191st trying to pass me and honk me.
Reckless driving complaint, okay?
Where's my reckless? Where did I reckless drive?
Did you call us?
I've been trying to call Will County right now. I don't know about you, 727. If you did not hear when you approached, that's who was on the phone. Until you egregiously...
727. Is that 911? No.
Did I feel it was an emergency? I was calling a
Well,
non-emergency
then you can't be
number.
using your phone when you're driving.
It's
okay?
Bluetooth.
You want to take it for that?
Bluetooth.
Phone was in your hand when I
on
told
my
you.
seat.
Phone
Phone was in my
your hand when
seat. Oh,
just stay right here.
okay, we got that on film too. I reached over. Tell him to step out of the vehicle.
He's identifying himself.
Oh.
He's being cooperative.
Oh, so you don't have to egregiously throw him out of his vehicle for no reason? I don't think that's the law, sir. You'll be hearing from my lawyer.
Dispatch 265 a file.
Good.
Hi, 165-0099, 5014, copy of 28 also.
Good.
David Union, 82244, DU, 82244.
Where's his ticket? He was on the phone when you walked in. Huh? Tough guy?
What's going on?
This guy, I turned from LaGrange Road onto 191st. I was in the left-hand road. This guy is he's driving in the center, like, you know, by that Burger King.
Okay.
He's in the middle lane trying to like speed around everybody.
Okay.
Right? He didn't make it before that. Whatchamacallit? You know how like before the train tracks, he didn't make it.
Okay.
So then he gets behind me,
Okay.
and he's trying to cut somebody off. He's honking his horn. He's trying to get around everybody. So then all of a sudden he's behind me trying to flashing his lights and stuff. It's one of those things where he wants me to move for him.
Okay.
So I'm just driving down the left-hand road. So then the whole time I see this guy, he's on his phone. He's following me. I'm like, why is this guy following me? So I turn down this route to see if this guy's truly following me. So I'm at risk of something. This guy's driving recklessly.
Were you brake checking him or not?
No, I didn't brake check.
Our dispatcher.
Of course he's not telling that. So he went around here. I went around here. He's following me. And then I got to the stop sign.
Okay.
And I'm like, fuck this. I'm calling the police.
Okay.
So then he comes up. I have waiting for dispatch. I got it on the Bluetooth. He's opening my door, trying to throw me out of the car you won't even tell me what the fuck he's trying to throw me out. And I'm on the phone trying to tell him this guy's behind me, following me like an asshole. And I'm trying to make a complaint. I don't know who this guy is. I don't know what his business is here. And I don't know why he was following me. So he stopped his aggressive behavior as soon as I grabbed from my phone off my front seat and hit the record button. And he was trying to rip the phone out of my hand and keep me from doing that. I'm sure his video will show that too. He did put his hands on me. I do want to file a complaint on that. Your officer. He opened this door himself. That's not his skin. He put his hand on my shoulder. That's battery. I'd like to file that, please.
Did he ask for your ID or not?
He asked for my ID, and I asked why are you pulling me over and asked for my ID. He wouldn't tell me. And he could step out of the car. That's all in the video. I guess I don't have to explain that. He's got this chest thing. I got this as soon as I started it. So.
Well, we're just trying to. Obviously, we got to come out here and see what happened. We weren't here during the whole.
I don't need my door open, and I don't need you to touch my head. So to me, that's battery.
Can I see your ID?
Did I give it to him, or did you give it back?
Or did you give it to him?
I did give it to him. Yeah, he's got it. So.
Okay.
Yeah, he's got it right up there. So I'd like to file a complaint of battery against Officer Moscato, badge number 266.
I turned my lights on, stopped up, I told him, asked for his ID. He refused to give me his ID.
No, I was asking my right to why I have to provide an identification.
His ID several times, and then he went to go roll up the window and call his lawyer. And that's when I stopped his window.
Right. He just admitted he denied me to call my lawyer. The video will show that he did. He did touch me. His own video will show he did touch me. He ripped the door open.
Bad driving,
Well, good for him. I'm pursuing a complaint against Officer Moscato, badge 266. I would like that in writing, please. I'm recording it all. I can. Thank you. Right. So I would like that. One of you guys to write that up on him. I will be pressing charges. He did say I was being detained, but he didn't read the rights too, so now I say it.
The next story. A Lyft driver was just trying to do his job, getting passengers to their destination safely. But he was disrespected, yelled at, and coerced by enforcement staff and police, all because he supposedly made them look bad. Like this video to let more people know about this incident. Share to spread awareness, and especially comment your thoughts. Is this fair? Are citizens' rights being respected? We need to speak up so everyone understands their rights.
Couldn't help but notice that there's some signs saying that only police and municipal marked cars are allowed in here. But these cars are not marked in any way. They have regular private license.
This car belongs to a correctional officer.
Okay, well, he needs to put a sticker on it, right?
And the one behind it is, I think she's a clerk or something upstairs.
The one over there? The car behind? The car behind that one's mine. That gray one? Yeah, don't lie to me, sir. You see what he just did? He just pointed to.
Well, I said I believe so.
Yeah,
What's it to you?
Well, my
What's it to you?
My car is covered.
What's it to you?
I'm trying to answer you, sir. My car is covered in Lyft decals, and it's parked where it's legally allowed to be parked.
So who?
These aren't.
That's not legally parked.
Correct. It's not marked with
According to whom?
those signs. The signs that say police marked vehicles.
It's a jailer's car. You want to have it towed?
Sure. Yes.
By whose authority?
Those
Yours?
signs. The signs. Do you know what those
We
signs say?
enforce those signs.
Right. So do so.
No, it's a correctional officer's car.
Okay.
So who are you?
I'm concerned.
Why are you here?
Let me explain that. I'm a Lyft driver. My job is to pick up people and drop them off. Traffic enforcement seems to not exist. So when I have to pick up someone, drop them off at a place that's got a parking spot for a loading zone, and someone's just parked in it, and no one gives them a ticket, and no one does anything, I have to let them in and out on the street, where it's one, technically I think illegal, right? And very unsafe, but that's the point. It's unsafe. Now, I have people that might need to come here, which just happened. I dropped someone off here. I couldn't pull into this past these signs because I'm not legally allowed to. The signs say so. The signs say so.
We're pretty lenient if you would.
Oh, well, you know, when you have laws, you can't be lenient on laws. You have to enforce them.
Well, it's at our discretion, actually.
Oh, well, then why do you always choose to do things against people that aren't officers, but use your discretion? Why does your discretion only absolve police officers when they commit crimes?
What are you talking about, crazy?
See this? I'm talking about these cars breaking.
food.
Right. I'm talking about these cars breaking the law by coming in here without any mark.
What cars?
That one right there. The Honda. You see a Honda sitting there?
Okay, and that car
is a jailer's car.
Okay, so let's check it for stickers, shall we, to see if it's legally parked.
What sign on there says something about stickers?
Would you like to come look at the sign with me? Would you like to come look at the sign with me? What does it say?
You lost your mind.
What does it say? The moment you identify the law and traffic code on these, the moment you identify that there is something that directs traffic on these, and that these cars are breaking that law, you have to enforce it. And you on camera are refusing to. No, listen.
I'm not listening.
Because you're a public servant and you refuse, because that's your job to not listen. Look, are you going to come look at this or not? You're not, because you don't care what those signs say. You guys never care what those signs say. And that's the problem, sir. You're law enforcement, right? Come enforce the law, sir.
I'm about to enforce the law here in a second.
Okay, how so? Name a law. Trespassing on public property? Tell me how that will. Government property is public property, sir. Don't try that stuff with me. We're beyond this. We're beyond this.
Right, we are.
Yeah. This is public property. You cannot trespass someone for being on public property. Where's your manager, sir? Can I speak to your sergeant?
he's on his way up.
Cool. Finally, will you look at the signs? Because he's refusing to look at the signs. He's just calling me crazy as though they don't say things.
Yeah, I'll walk over.
All right, cool. Thank you so much. Now, I started to pull in. My car is not marked for such things because these signs say not to, right? Now, to follow the law, it says that there are handicapable accessories on either side, but it says for city official cars only. Now, it doesn't say for city officials only. It says cars. These cars are not marked city official cars. Cars. That's the law. And you're the first person to even come address this, sir.
All right.
This is... I like it.
I understand your frustration.
Yeah.
I see where you're
And I would like to show you the scar running up my back to show you why I care about handicapable rights.
Okay.
Thank you.
Both of these videos highlight a serious issue regarding citizens' rights and the abuse of power by police or enforcement officers. In the first video, a citizen was coerced, touched, and denied the right to call a lawyer just for reporting reckless driving. In the second video, a Lyft driver was simply following the law but was disrespected, yelled at, and coerced for supposedly making the officers look bad. These situations raise an important question. How far do citizens' rights extend, and is the power of law enforcement being abused? Make sure to like this video, share it to raise awareness, and comment your thoughts. What would you do if you were in these situations? Our voices need to be heard.